In today's video, I will walk you through how to find crypto alpha on CoinMarketCap. To find crypto alpha on CoinMarketCap, start by browsing categories. Open the Categories tab and check the indexes of different coin categories. Each category shows different analytics, including the average price change over the last 24 hours, the top performing cryptocurrency in that category, the market cap, trading volume, and the number of cryptocurrencies that are currently in profit or loss. Click on a specific category to view more details about the individual cryptocurrencies inside it. You can also check the hottest categories listed at the top of the list. These categories show the most relevant areas and include the top cryptocurrencies within each category. If you want to explore a specific trend or category, select the category and review the related projects and cryptocurrencies listed there. To find what is currently trending, use the CoinMarketCap homepage. The homepage displays the top trending coins. Click on More to view additional cryptocurrencies that people are searching for on CoinMarketCap. These cryptocurrencies may not always be the top performers, but they show current demand. Continue exploring the page to find more information. Next, find the coins in the Spotlight section. Click on More in the Trending Coins area, then select Spotlight. The Spotlight page shows different cryptocurrency details, including the biggest gainers and losers from the past 24 hours, along with the most popular cryptocurrencies. Click on the Gainers or Losers sections to view more details. You can also open the Most Visited tab to see cryptocurrencies with highly viewed coin pages. To find newly added cryptocurrencies, select the Recently Added tab. This section displays recently added cryptocurrencies available on CoinMarketCap. If the available options do not match what you are looking for, use filters on the homepage. Click on Filters to customize your search. You can filter cryptocurrencies based on categories, mining algorithms, platforms, or create custom filters. Choose the filters that match your preferred criteria and review the results. These options allow you to explore different cryptocurrency categories, trending coins, popular pages, recently added projects, and customize searches directly through CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.